Have you ever imagined a dinosaur with bat wings, bird feathers, and the appearance of a crazy lab experiment? Well, it did exist and its name is Yiche. Discovered in 2015 in China, Yiche, which literally means strange wing in Chinese, is a true enigma of evolution. When scientists first discovered its fossils, they thought there had been a mistake. After all, they had never before seen a dinosaur with wings formed by membranes, like those of a bat. Most dinosaurs capable of flight or even those that evolved into birds had wings with long, stiff feathers. But Yiche, it took a completely different path. Its arms had an elongated bony structure that supported a membrane as if it were a living kite. A feature never before seen in dinosaurs, but it doesn't stop there. It also had short feathers scattered throughout its body, which makes it even more bizarre. It was as if nature were experimenting with a fusion of reptile, bird, and bat all at the same time. Imagine an animal the size of a pigeon, weighing about 380 grams, gliding silently through the trees of a Jurassic forest 160 million years ago. Its flight was probably not powerful like that of a modern bird, but rather an efficient type of gliding ideal for escaping predators or moving in search of food. And here comes the most fascinating part. Yiche is not alone. Other fossils found in China suggest that it may have been part of an extinct group of gliding dinosaurs. This shows us that flight did not evolve in a single way. There were many different attempts throughout Earth's history. But why is no one talking about it? Simple. It shatters everything we knew about the evolution of flight. Its existence forces scientists to reevaluate hypotheses, accept that nature has experimented much more than we imagined, and understand that not all evolutionary paths have led to success. In fact, Yiche is an evolutionary mistake that ended up being left in the past, but that's exactly what makes it so interesting. Because by studying it, we can understand what works, what doesn't, and even how modern birds came to be. Have you ever heard of fossils that change everything? Well, Yiche is one of them. The fossil was analyzed using modern digital reconstruction technologies. Using high-resolution scanners, paleontologists were able to recreate its anatomy in 3D, and then came the shock its wings were supported by a long bony rod, something never before recorded. This was not only unusual, it was unprecedented, but did it really fly? The truth is that there is still debate. Some researchers believe it only glided. Others suggest that it could have given small pushes in the air. Either way, it represents an evolutionary route that was eventually abandoned. And here comes the final question. How many other Yiche have the Earth seen that have not yet been discovered? With each new fossil, we realize that Earth's past is even stranger, more creative, and more fascinating than any science fiction.